Get this annoying Java error fixed on Windows with this guide. So first up, verify your Java installation by opening command prompt with admin rights. Type in the following command, press enter, and the output will list all the JDK version installed on your computer and also the installation date. Now if you have recently installed an update, check if the information checks out. But if that did not work, try to install the latest version available from the Java website. Next, end the Java process in the Task Manager by right-clicking on your taskbar, select Task Manager, open Processes tab, locate and select Instances of Java Virtual Machine, then click End Task to close the process. Now, insufficient permission can also prevent Java apps from running on your computer. So to fix this problem, run Java with administrative privilege by searching it on your Java application, right-click on it, then select Run as an Administrator. And those are the following ways on how you can fix this Java error code on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.